Galata Tower. Welcome to Istanbul, where history and modernity blend seamlessly, and an iconic tower rises to offer you a mesmerizing view of the city. The Galata Tower. As you approach the Galata Tower, its medieval charm and distinctive conical shape will capture your attention. This ancient sentinel has witnessed centuries of Istanbul's history, standing as a testament to the city's enduring spirit. Venture inside and embark on a journey through time. The spiral staircase leads you upwards, step by step, echoing the passage of generations that have come before. Can you feel the excitement building as you ascend? And then, as you step out onto the tower's observation deck, Istanbul unfolds beneath you like a vibrant tapestry. The Bosphorus Strait weaves its way between Europe and Asia, while minarets and domes punctuate the skyline, a harmonious blend of the city's rich heritage and contemporary life. How does this panoramic view make you appreciate the city's unique geography? The Galata Tower's history is as captivating as its view. Built in the 14th century by the Genoese, it has served as a fortress, an observatory, and even a prison. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures. As you gaze out over the city, you'll find yourself contemplating Istanbul's role as a bridge between East and West, a city where cultures collide and intertwine. The call to prayer resonates from mosques, the aromas of street food fill the air, and a hustle and bustle of daily life paint a vivid picture of Istanbul's soul. What aspects of Istanbul's unique character do you find most intriguing? And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the city, you'll realize that the Galata Tower is not just a vantage point. It's a portal to understanding Istanbul's rich heritage and the lives of its inhabitants. Descending from the tower, you may feel a sense of both nostalgia and wonder. The Galata Tower has offered you a glimpse into the city's past, present and future. It has shown you that Istanbul's beauty lies not only in its grandeur, but also in its complexity, in the layers of history that make it a true cultural mosaic. As you step back onto the bustling streets of Istanbul, you will wander in the streets of Galata district, in which you will see amazing wine houses, restaurants and bars with the view of Galata Tower. Take your time and roam around one of the most vibrant neighborhoods in Istanbul. In a world where time marches forward, the Galata Tower stands as a silent witness to Istanbul's ever-evolving tale. Just a tip for you. Be careful who you take on the top of Galata with you. The rumor says that you will end up marrying with the person who you first climbed to the top of Galata with.